Hey guys, it's your boys, Cooking with Cousins. But today, we have a special guest star.
Gavin.
Gavin.
So today is a snow day, which means we have time to make super easy peanut butter cookies and not meatballs.
We know who you are, Mike.
Alright, so we're gonna start by taking this large bowl and we're going to be mixing in 1 cup of peanut butter. And an easy life hack is to put saran wrap in the bowl and then
Put the peanut butter in the saran wrap.
Oh my.
And then it's just,
So it's kind of hard to put it in.
that's not too bad.
Well, never mind. And then we put 1 cup of sugar.
I was gonna do that. That sounds good. Egg.
And,
And
1 egg.
finally,
Egg.
1.
Egg. 1 piece of butter.
No shell. Yay, I did it. And then we mix it all up.
Now we mix all the ingredients together.
Like so.
Now you drop it, put it on the cookie sheet like that. Oh, might kind of sound gross. Now we flatten them down, crisscrossed with a fork.
Yes.
Now we bake it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes.
And then you just plop it in there.
Ha ha ha! That was hot!
Alright, so now you're gonna sprinkle a tiny pinchful of sugar onto each cookie to give it that added sweetness.
So our special guest couldn't, well, eat have the best part because he had to go to his grandma's house.
Now let's
dig in without our special guest.
Very doughy. But it seems a little undercooked.
I like it undercooked.
What do you rate it?
7 out of 10.
Me too. It
Yeah.
kind of just tastes like
Peanut butter.
Crunchy peanut butter, yeah. Alright,
And
well.
sugar in it. Oh my, mine's falling apart. Oh my.
Alright, well. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more wacky and crazy videos like this.
Thanks for watching!
Bye.